Today is a quick tip on how to chisel out your corners when you cut your dados with a rabbeting bit on your router table. So it always leaves a little rounded over area, kind of like this. So you have this rounded over area, and if you're like me, your chisel skills are almost average, which means you can muck it up if you really worked at it. Let me give you a quick tip on how to make it nice and smooth. Of course, you start with the frame. I've got 3 of these, so this is one of them, and I just put the router bit around the inside of the frame to be able to get that to hold. I have my piece clamped down, and instead of taking my big chisels and banging this and cutting this and hammering it real hard, I'm going to take my smallest Forstner bit, which is a 1/4 inch, and I'm going to put it in the very corner of this with the outer edges just touching the lines. And so I'm going to cut all the way down through to the level of my rabbet bottom. So let me show you what I'm doing. I have this little line marked in here. So I'm going to come in with my chisel. And I'm going to pair to this line, or rather mark to this line right here to the corner. There and there. Now I'm going to take my corner chisel and give it a, now I've got that edge marked where that's supposed to be. Now I'm going to come into the closest corner to get the edge of this up against these 2 marks. And if I can do that, I'll have less and less chisel work to go. You always want to check your work. Make sure you don't go too deep in here as you're making this. Yeah, it looks like I've got one little more. All right. Now we can just come in and chisel on the sides. Because I've removed the bulk of the waste in between here, I just have that part to chisel, that little triangle, and the inside corner. With that, it makes it a heck of a lot easier to be able to remove something that's just flat here rather than going into the corner. The chisel's real easy because I got the connected part done. We got it cut on the edge. Oops, a little bit proud there. Then we just pare away till we get our corner nice and square. So you can see in just a quick couple of minutes, you have it done. Spot there, we got our nice square corner. We're ready to put our glass in. So if you liked our quick tip, give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more of our tips, consider subscribing down below. So here's my cabinet, and here's the doors. We open it like this. We have hinges back here. Because this is going to be in a hallway, I don't want to have a handle or a knob or anything up there. So we're going to figure out how can you lift this easily. So I've come up with a solution. I'm going to carve into here a depression for a finger hold or a little knuckle hold to be able, you can reach in here and just get right underneath here to lift up that edge. That way the top will be clean, there won't be any protrusions,